What does a data entry assistant do? Businesses depend on data, from customer records to financial transactions. Managing data takes time and precision, which is where a data entry assistant helps. They handle data input, organization, research, and security, ensuring businesses can access accurate information quickly. Why hire a data entry assistant? 1. Cost savings. Hiring full-time staff adds expenses like salaries, benefits, and office space. Outsourcing offers skilled professionals at a lower cost. Many companies outsource to the Philippines for its high English proficiency and cost-effective services. 2. Increased productivity. Data entry is repetitive. Assigning it to employees distracts them from critical work, causing burnout and inefficiency. A data entry assistant ensures staff stays focused on high-value tasks. 3. Organized and updated databases. Messy data slows operations. A data entry assistant categorizes, labels, and updates records, eliminating errors and making data easy to retrieve. 4. Flexibility and scalability. Data entry needs vary. Businesses can hire assistants as needed without long-term commitments. This allows flexibility and workload management without overburdening employees. What does a data entry assistant do? Data input and compilation. Entering and updating information in databases. Removing outdated data for accuracy. Data conflict identification. Spotting and correcting duplicate or incorrect entries. Cross-checking databases for inconsistencies. Research and data analysis. Gathering and verifying information from multiple sources. Analyzing data trends and compiling reports. Transcription services. Converting audio recordings into text. Using AI tools or manual transcription for accuracy. Data security and backup. Protecting sensitive data and preventing loss. Ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Document formatting. Structuring reports and memos for clarity and consistency. Essential skills of a data entry assistant. Computer proficiency, familiar with Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and CRM tools. Fast and accurate typing. High words per minute, WPM, speed with precision. Organization skills, ability to categorize and structure data. Attention to detail, spotting and correcting errors. Communication and teamwork, verifying and analyzing data with teams. Integrity and security awareness, handling sensitive data responsibly. Hiring the right data entry assistant. When writing a job description, define employment type: full-time, part-time, or project-based. Detail job responsibilities. Specify whether the role involves data entry, transcription, or research. Why outsource data entry? Outsourcing helps businesses save costs, improve efficiency, and scale operations without long-term commitments. Many companies hire Filipino data entry assistants for their high English proficiency, strong work ethic, and cost-effective services. At KDCI Outsourcing, we provide skilled data entry professionals who can handle tasks efficiently and accurately. Take your business to the next level. A data entry assistant can boost productivity, cut costs, and streamline operations. Need expert data entry support? KDCI Outsourcing offers professionals who ensure precision and reliability. Contact us today to get started.